Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK, and today's video about AP PSC Food Safety Officer question paper 2019. So, first question is HACCP stand for, or full form of HACCP is, answer is Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point. Question 2. Which acid is present in apple? Apple belongs to Rosaceae family and acid is malic acid. Next question 3rd. A critical point is an operation by which, answer is a critical point operation is hazard can be eliminated, minimized or prevented. Next question. Which organization is responsible for ensuring that all foods are safe and properly labeled? Institute is FDA, which is Food and Drug Administration. Question 5. Total quality management emphasizes, answer is a commitment to quality that goes beyond internal company issues to suppliers and customers. Next question. Aperitivizing is a process called canning and is named after, answer is by Nicholas Appert. Question 7. Hedonic rating test is used to measure, answer is measure preference, and hedonic scale most widely used for measuring food acceptability. Next question 8. Which of the following food safety issue is responsibility of state government, which is approving all food safety auditors? Question 9. Reverse osmosis is a form of membrane technology that is used to, answer is produce some fruits juices, and reverse osmosis is the process of forcing a solvent from higher concentration to lower concentration. Next question. The daily recommendation for dietary fibers are based on humans' age or gender. Question 11. The injury caused due to rough surface of containers is known as, answer is known as abrasion injury. Next question 12. Centrifugation process of removing bacteria from milk is known as, answer is second, which is bacterifugation. Question 13, which is in do-or-try method of sensory evaluation sample are used. There are 3 samples are used in this method. Next question is 14. Dash is used as an emulsifier in chocolate manufacturing. Answer is lecithin is used for chocolate manufacturing. Next question, which is 15. Basic concept of HACCP was developed by a company working along with NASA, which is, answer is company Pillsbury. Next question. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th October. Next question. Phosphatase test is carried out to check the adequacy of, answer is pasteurization, and pasteurization done to eliminate pathogen and extend shelf life of product, generally done in milk product or in milk. Which component in chili is responsible for pungency? Answer is, which is capsaicin. Next question 19. The damage to the tissue in fruits and vegetables developed due to refrigeration is called, it is called chilling injury. Next question, which is 20. The purple color of jamun fruits is due to, answer is due to anthocyanin pigment which is present in vacuoles of cell. Next question 21. Milk fat is present in the form of, answer is in the form of emulsion. Next question. Lyophilization is also known as freeze drying, and lyophilization is low temperature dehydration process. Question 23. Which sugar is called milk sugar? Answer is lactose is milk sugar, which is a form of disaccharide composed of galactose and glucose. Question 24. Which sugar is present in DNA? Answer is deoxyribose sugar, which has 5 carbon atoms. Next question. The coenzyme not involved in hydrogen transfer is, answer is FH4, and FH4 is tetrahydrophilic acid enzyme. Next question. The inhibitor of transcription is, answer is actinomycin. Question 27. Cans treated with acid resistant lacquer are called, this type of cans are called R-enamel cans. Which of the following acid is predominant in tamarind? In tamarind, tartaric acid is found. Dash is widely used as a flavor potential in processed food. Answer is monosodium glutamate. Question 30. Legume proteins are most limiting in, answer is in methionine, which is a type of amino acid. Next question 31. GHP stands for, answer is good hygienic practices. The NRC for Promagnet is located in, answer is in Solapur. Question 33. The E-tongue test evaluation is performed by, answer is by liquid sensor. Question 34. The major carbohydrate of rice is, answer is starch. Question 35. The pigment of colored rice are, answer is both anthocyanin and carotenoid. Carotenoid is a precursor of vitamin A. The major lipids of maize oil is, answer is, which is triglycerides. Next question 37. Bread flour is milled from, answer is from hard wheat and winter wheat, and Triticum aestivum is also known as a bread wheat. Next question. Baking powder is compound of, baking powder is a sodium bicarbonate and tetrace. Next question. In rice polishing, what happens in rice polishing? A layer of bran is removed from brown rice. Next question. Selling out turn in percentage of groundnut is approx 75%. Question 41. The edible portion of paddy is, answer is endosperm. Next question. Also from rice, removal of bran layer from the rice is done by, answering by process of polishing and whitening. Glazing is done on rice for, answer is for transparent look of rice. Next question. Saturated fatty acid increases, answer is in heart problems. To minimize heart problems, use safflower oil. The kernel of paddy is enclosed by, answer is both hull and bran. Question 46. The main products of corn dry milling is, answer is main product is grits. Question 47. Bulgur is the product of, answer is bulgur is the product of wheat. Question 48. Separation of broken rice and head rice is also known as, answer it is known as grading. Question 49. Removal of hull from the cereal grain called, answer it is called dehusking. Question 50. Parboiling of paddy is following treatment, answer is hydrothermal. In this process, vitamin B of rice can be saved. Next question, the oils and fats are composed of different mixture of, answer is third, from glycerides. Question 52, roll meal separator is also known as, answer is velvet roll separator. Next question, cracked debraned parboiled wheat is called as, answer is it is called bulgur. Next question, separation of cleaned product into various quality fractions on the basis of any one physical property is, answer is this process is known as sorting. Next question, removal of few large particles involved in the process is called, answer process is called scalping. The technique useful in coarse shifting is, answer is combined vertical and horizontal motion. The process of moving air through stored grain at low flow rates to maintain or improve its quality is called, answer this process is called aeration. Question 58, the percentage of endosperm in mature corn is about, answer is about 82%. Next question, development of drying equation for heating or cooling is based on, answer is based on Newton's law. Question 60, protects or conserve much of the energy expended during the production and processing of the product, food product is also known as, this process is known as packaging. Food packaging surrounds, enhances and protects the good. Next question 62, packaging is a dash system of preparing goods for transport, distribution, storage, retailing and use, answer is and use of coordinated. Next question, which is 63, packaging means of ensuring safe delivering to ultimate consumer in sound condition at, answer is at minimum cost. Next question, packing is a techno-economic function aimed at minimize cost of delivering while, answer is maximizing sales. Next question, which is 65, the dash is one which is the direct contact with the content product which is primary package. Next question 66, the dash contains a number of primary packages which is secondary package. Next question 67, tuddi is prepared from, answer is from palmyra. Next question, which is 68, hyperbaric storage is also known as, hyperbaric is a type of cold storage at low pressure. Next question 69, a type of bioreactor used to obtain desired product from microorganism is, answer is which is fermenter. Next question, the fermented product obtained from cabbage is called as, product is sauerkraut. Next question 71, dash yeast is mainly used in bakery. The yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae which is also known as baker yeast. Question 72, bacteria which multiply at high temperature are known as, answer is thermophilic bacteria. In canning, jet value is defined as the temperature necessary to bring change in the TDT or D value fold, answer is which is 10. Next question, pink rot on egg are produced due to growth of, answer is due to growth of pseudomonas. Question 75, in biogas which main gas used, answer is main gas is methane and other gas are carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide. Next question, who is the father of tissue culture? Answer is first, scientist Ross Grevelly Harrison. Next question 77, mycotoxins are produced by, answer is mycotoxins are produced by fungi which is secondary metabolites. Next question 78, dash is produced from fermented apple juice which is apple cider vinegar or cider. Next question 79, the milk is pasteurized at 62.8 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes to eliminate, answer is to eliminate Coxella burnetii. Next question, which is 80. Keratogamy is union of haploid nucleus. Question 81. Hops are effective against gram-positive bacteria, and hops is plant product. Next question 82. Ropiness in bread is caused by, answer is caused by Bacillus subtilis. Question 83. Non-protein part of enzyme is also known as prosthetic groove. Question 84. Development of undesirable odor in oil and fat due to lipolysis or oxidative breakdown of fatty acid is known as, answer is known as rancidity. Next question. Which of the following is not an amino acid? Answer is third. Cerebronic acid is not an amino acid. Next question, which is 86. What is the minimum of carbon present in fatty acid? There are 4 carbon present in fatty acid. Question 87. The reagent used in Selivanov's test is, answer is, the reagent is resorcinol, and Selivanov's test is used for differentiate aldose and ketose sugar. Question 88. The basic unit of photosynthetic apparatus is called as, answer is, which is thylakoid, and group of thylakoid also called grana, and grana is present in chloroplast. Question 89. Citric acid cycle was discovered by, answer is by scientist Hans Krebs, which is also known as C4 cycle or Krebs cycle. Question 19. Two sugars differing only in configuration around one specific carbon atom are called as, answer is called epimers. Question 91. Deficiency of which vitamin leads to rickets? Answer is vitamin D deficiency, and vitamin D obtained from sunshine. Question 92. The kinetic of most enzyme reaction are reasonably well represented by, answer is by Michaelis-Menten equations. Question 93. Which of the following is non-reducing sugar? Answer is trehalose is non-reducing sugar. Question 94. NAFED was established in, NAFED is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India and established in 2 October 1958. Next question, which is FCI or Food Corporation of India was established in, answer is in 1965. Next question 96. Food Safety and Standard Act was promulgated in which year? Answer is in the year of 2006. Question 97. Which act is related with grading and marketing of agriculture commodities? Which is AGMARC. And AGMARC is a type of certification of agriculture product to assure quality of product. Next question 98. Which order is related to meat product? Order is MFPO or Meat Food Product Order 1973. Question 99. Headquarter of Spices Board is located at, answer is in Kochi, Kerala. Question 100. Which is the leading financial institution at international level? Which is World Bank. Next question. International Organization for Standardization or ISO comes in the existence in the year, answer is in 1947. Next question. APEDA or Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority established on, answer is at 13 February 1986. Question 103. The prevention of food Adulteration Act was established in? Answer is in 1954. WTO began function on? Answer is from 1st January 1995 and WTO is World Trade Organization. Question 105. FPO stand for or full form of FPO? Answer is Fruit Products Order. Question 106. Aromatic amino acid is? Aromatic amino acid is phenylalanine. Question 107. Codex Alimentarius Commission is run by? Answer is by FAO or Food and Agriculture Organization and WHO World Health Organization. ISI has been renamed as BSI with effect from 1st April 1987 and BSI is Bureau of Indian Standard. Next question 109. ISO 22000 standard are associated with? Answer is with safety and quality. Question 1110. The 5 elements in the management process are? Answer is plan, lead, organize, manage and control. Next question 111. Premature setting of jelly is caused by? Answer is because of low TSS and TSS is total suspended solid. Cause of pungency of onion? Answer is because of allyl-propyl disulfide. Next question 113. Flavor in cabbage leaves is due to the glycoside. Option is glycoside is cinegreen. Question 114. The yellow pigment in papaya is due to? Answer is due to kericajanthanin. Question 115. In lychee, which portion is edible? Answer is mesocarp. Question 116. Inactivation of enzyme is done by? Answer is by blanching, which is a process of food preservation. Question 117. Monoglycerides GMS emulsifier is used in? Answer is used in ice creams. Question 118. The full form of FDA, which is Food and Drugs Administration. Question 119. The Fruit Products Order FPO was started in the year? Answer is in 1955. Next question 120. Export Quality Control and Inspection Act was established in the year? Answer is in 1963. Question 121. Solvent extraction oil, de-oiled meal and edible flour control order started in the year? Answer is in 1967. Question 122. Which chemical is used for controlling sprouting of onion during storage? Which is malic hydrazide. Question 123. The Winther ratio between lactose and total protein and ash content of milk is? Answer is 13:9:2. Question 124. The specific gravity of amyl alcohol used in fat test by Gerber's method? Answer is third, which is 0.810. Question 125. Lactogenic is also known as? Answer is lactogenic is also known as galactopoetic. Question 126. Test for mixing of cow milk and buffalo milk is? Answer is which is Hansa test. Question 127. Lecithin is a component of which of the following? Answer is lecithin is a component of milk lipid. Question 128. The water activity of chilled meat is? Answer is very high. Question 129. Oxymyoglobin has a colored of? Answer is oxymyoglobin colored is bright red. Next question 130. Shrink bath method was developed by? Answer is by W.R. Grace. Next question, which is 131. Fluid will become more fluid viscosity decreases with time as they are stirred are known as, answer is thioexotropic. Question 132. Convective heat transfer coefficient is expressed by, answer is by Nusselt. Next question 133. Pascal is a unit of, answer is unit of pressure. Question 134. The Janssen formula is used to determine the pressure in a, answer is in a any type of beans. From question 135 you can see other subject questions. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel Agriculture and GK.